This is what I have that came in from BespokePost.com. So you know it's some kind of clothing because it's soft, tender like. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. Always come with a nice bag. Well, I ain't got a cowboy hat, so I know that ain't. Line of Trade. This is new from Line of Trade. Let's see what we got. This is the Dockside Shawl Cardigan. Let's unzip this, shall we? Pretty fan. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Allow me to put this on and model it for you. All right. Maybe you can see this. Nice little cardigan sweater. Never mind my pajamas. Boy, we're looking at the cardigan sweater. What if I put this in the buttons was off? Oh yeah, that's nice. It fits. Perfect size. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that cardigan sweater. Now it's got the pockets right here. Yo, baby, what's up? Nice little cardigan. Get the stomach down, I'll be in the house. I like it. Like a bluish black color. I want to thank you for watching BespokePost.com final video of me opening these boxes, getting these gifts. I will see you with something different and something new. See you on the flip side.